How is it going, crypto family? I hope you are having a great day. It's your host Balint here. In this video I'm excited to show you how I'm closing a deal on OpenSea by accepting an offer. So if we go on my profile and go on activity and only list the sales, you can see that I bought this My Curio Cards sculpture 9 days ago for this price of Ethereum, and today I discovered that there is an offer for this NFT with the amount of this. So this is higher than my original buying price, so I will go ahead and accept this offer. Click on accepting offer, and let's try to minimize the creator earnings. However, we will still need to pay the 2.5% OpenSea fee, but the earnings we can expect this one, but we will still need to pay the transaction fee since we are the one who are accepting the offer. As you can see, this is the gas fee that we can accept, but for the sake of this video I just go aggressive and click confirm. Let's wait a couple of seconds, hopefully. And here we go, the offer is accepted, and I just copy this number. Let's double check it in our activity. Here we go, and if we look at the transaction cost, we can see and calculate it. So this was our selling price minus the OpenSea fee, and we also need to deduct the transaction fee, which is around $4.50, and hopefully we will be able to make some little profit on it. And yes, of course, as you can see, our price is this one, 0.131. Let's insert it into our table. 0.131 and we make a decent gain of this amount. And let's check the price of Ethereum today, where it stands. It's 1850. So if we want to calculate the dollar amount, we just times it by the price of Ethereum, 1850, and we made a decent gain of $11. That's how we close the deal on OpenSea. I hope it was helpful, guys. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. See you guys next time for another tutorial.